What's better than Christmas ornaments shaped like bows? Well, that would be Christmas ornaments shaped like bows and painted in all shades of pink. We're using apple barrel paints, and first we're going to use the color pink polish, and then we're going to move on to use apple barrel's bright magenta. Just put a quick cover of paint on there. This paint does cover pretty good. Usually it's just a one coat coverage with most of the colors. Of course, some different shades will require an extra coat, and it depends on how much coverage you want as well. Then the last bow that we're going to paint that in the color candy pink. Kind of makes you think about a baby doll, maybe. I don't know. What do you think? I love them all. They remind me of cotton candy. Now I want cotton candy. So we're going to just get those finished, painted up, and I want to welcome you to a common canvas in the pink. This is a 7-artist paint challenge, so be sure and watch through the whole playlist and see what everybody has planned for you. Now, to top this one off, we took some Mod Podge, and I don't know about you, but I don't love using mixed glitter or loose glitter because loose glitter gets everywhere and you find it for years and years and years. So if you take a little bit of Mod Podge, add your loose glitter in there and mix it up till it's a pretty thick consistency like a paste, then you don't have that glitter flying everywhere and you get a pretty sparkly, glittery finish. Look at that. Sparkle, 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 all the pinks. Look at it when the light hits it. Who can resist that? Not me. We like our shiny, sparkly things. And if something's going to be pink, isn't it just right for it to be sparkly pink? Not just plain pink? I think so. So we're going to put a good thick coat on this pink polish bow. There you go. And then we're going to add some highlights on the other two shades. So the one that we painted bright magenta, we're going to put some highlights of the candy pink, and the one you see here is candy pink, and we're putting the highlights of the bright magenta. Just add a little bit of detail and dimension. These are super fun and easy to paint. You can put them. You could put some decoupage paper or scrapbook paper. You could paint so many different ways to do these. You could do some rub-on transfers. Of course, here at Heart's Desire, I like to paint, so we paint. And then we're going to just add a little touch of some more glitter to the center of those bows, just to kind of bring that glitter effect, and tie them all together. Get it? Tie them all together. They're bows. Bows are tied, ribbon. Isn't that funny? I'm cracking myself up over here. Just a little bit on the edges and around for these. Now, when you're mixing your loose glitter with the Mod Podge, you do want to make sure that you use the gloss Mod Podge. Apple Barrel paints and Mod Podge are both by Plaid. Great company, great products. And if you use the gloss, it'll help the glitter keep its shine because nobody wants dull glitter. Now we're just going to take our hangers, we put a little bead, and we cut our strip of ribbon about 9 inches, and all you do is put that strip of ribbon in the little hole, slide that bead down to lock it in, and you have a pretty bow without having to tie a knot. How about that? A bow on a bow. And it's a sparkly bow on a sparkly bow because, again, can't get enough sparkle, can't get enough pink. I like the way we did this set of 3 bows. They kind of complement each other, but they're not all identical. wouldn't these be pretty hanging on a tree? It would be perfect for a little princess themed tree. Some people have trees with all one color. Some they have just special ornaments scattered throughout. Tell me down in the comments, what does your Christmas tree look like? Do you go with a theme, or do you have special ornaments that you've collected over the years? What's your Christmas decor style? Tell us. And again, I just want to remind you to please go ahead and watch through the entire playlist. Give some thumbs up, give some comments, and encourage each of the artists that have come together to put on the 7 Artist Paint Challenge by A Common Canvas in the Pink. We truly do appreciate your time. We know you could be anywhere watching anybody, and you chose to be here with us. And each one of us work really hard to make sure we bring something that will bring a smile to your face and please your heart's desire. Fluff up your little bow a little bit. Of course, you do want to make sure when you're working with ribbon and you want a bow that you can maneuver and shape that it's a wired edge ribbon. And look how cute that looks. And again, gotta put some more glitter in there. Now these bows are available as both wood blanks, or you can purchase the whole set of 3, and I'll put the links for those down in the description.